Welcome to a CIS Garden Moment with Ms. Rodriguez. Welcome back to a CIS Garden Moment with Ms. Rodriguez. I wanted to show you some of the flowers I've been growing this spring along with our garden. And as you can see here, these are beautiful flowers and a cactus. But I kind of cheated on this one. Let me show you what I did. I planted 3 cloves of garlic in this area right here next to this plant because I knew I'd be tending to this plant. I'd be watering it. It would have enough sunlight. So I thought, why not try and grow some garlic on the side? And I did. And look at that. It's the first time I've ever done that. And now under each of these stems is a clove of a bulb of garlic. And I can't wait for those to be ready. So I'm kind of feeling around, making sure they're growing, and they are. Today what we're going to do, I'm going to show you our seedlings, which are no longer seedlings. They are very vibrant and growing. But I'm going to show you what happens when you don't tend or organize your garden. I have purposely let them grow. I'm taking care of them, watering them and feeding them, but I haven't organized them yet. Let me show you what I mean. Look at our seedlings. It's hard to believe they were ever this little. But look at them now. These are our bell peppers. Look how much they've grown. These here are our squash and cucumbers. What I do is I plant 3 to 4 to a pot. Then I put them in these pools so that the vines can grow within the pool area so that when the vegetables grow, they're in a nice, clean, and safe environment. These are our tomato plants. And look at how they're growing. They are so tall, but they're too close to each other and growing in each other's areas. At this time, it's not a safe environment for the tomatoes to grow this way. As you can see, our seedlings have grown very healthy and very vibrant, but they're fighting for both space and sunlight. Let me show you how just a little bit of work can get your garden organized. First of all, I take what are called garden cages or supports. These are several stacked on each other. But this is what they usually look like and how they're used. They are used to support the tomato plants or any kind of viney growy plant so that they'll grow upwards and in order and in their own space. So I took the plant supports, placed them in each of the buckets holding a tomato plant and a squash plant, and I separated the buckets from each other, giving everybody their own space so they don't have to fight for the sunlight and they can stop growing in each other's areas. This is going to ensure that each tomato plant has the proper space to grow and that they get plenty of sunlight. At Bonham, we believe that hard work pays off, and you can see that it does in our garden. All it took was a little bit of work to get our plants separated, organized, and then provide them the proper tools to grow. That's the same thing that happens in our classrooms. Your teacher makes sure your classroom is organized, keeps everybody in their separate space by having you sit at your own desk and respecting each other's space, and then gives you the proper tools for you to grow to your full potential. I'll see you next time.